Hi guys, welcome to Chatters DIY. Thanks for joining me in my latest video on how to build a cabin bed. It's quite similar to the bunk bed video if you've seen that one, but hopefully the video quality's improved since then. That was my first video before. If you've seen the thumbnail, you'll see that it came out really nicely, and hopefully you'll leave a comment at the end because I always appreciate your feedback. Stick around and check this out. We've got the plans for the bed. It consists of a platform for the mattress to sit on, the details of which are there. This is a breakdown of the wood that's got to be cut for it. The second section here is the footer frame, and then the header frame at the other end. The last part of it then is a front frame or a side frame, depending on which way you're looking at it. Doing this plan allows me to then work out how many pieces of wood that I'm going to need to buy. So I've got the total order there. Allows me to just work out any kinks in the design, and the more kinks you can work out in the design stage, the less problems you face when you're building it. Okay then, so all the parts are now cut. I'm now going to mark out where the rebates are going to be cut into the vertical boards. This is parts E and F, and they are the vertical sections for the footer frame. Obviously the horizontal boards all have to be cut out at the same height, so I've marked them out onto part E, and I'm transferring a square line with them clamped together across the two so that they are absolutely spot on. When I come to do the cross cutting then to remove the rebate, they're all going to be cut out perfect. So cutting out these rebates, nice simple process as well. As long as you've got a cross-cut sled or even a circular saw, you can just do a series of cuts along the wood between the two marks that you've already made, and then just when these little wafers are left out, just pop them out, clean it up with a chisel, and away you go. Pocket hole drilling. This is my setup. I've got a toggle clamp attached to a block of wood. These cost a couple of pounds off eBay. This is the jig itself. It comes with 3 sets of different diameter pocket holes, and then it's just attached to a block of wood with this one set at a certain distance so that the bolt can be adjusted for different sizes of pieces of wood to go into it. Probably the most expensive part was about a tenner, which I think I paid for this drill bit. As I said, cheap as chips, nice and simple. So I've got my piece here that needs drilling. It's part H. This is marked up as the front face, so I want to make sure I'm drilling this side. So we simply place it in. Clamp attaches nice and tight. There you go. So for the mattress slats that are going to be underneath on the bed platform, I need a series of cuts all at the same length, 900mm. So if you can see just down the end here, I've set up a stop block. just a piece of scrap wood clamped onto the work surface, and then it allows me then to make the exact same size cuts every time without having to keep measuring. Okay then, this is the part that I really love, starting to assemble it. Got the header frame ready to go there, footer frames on the table, bed mattress platforms already put together, all the 900mm slats are glued in. Still got to do a little bit of work on this panel that's going to go down the side. Got some marks on it and blemishes I need to touch up before I can paint it. But you really start to see how it's going to look when you start putting it together, so really excited now. Right, so assembly is basically completed. The only thing I've got left is the handrails. I'm just going to try and match the one that I've already made upstairs on Jack's bed. I've just put these two together now just to show the two ends and the matching rebates, both for the rails and for the panel there. So you've got the footer frame and then the headboard. This is the ladder rung at the top. Still missing the screws and the screw caps in these, obviously, because I still need that for fitting. The screw's going to go right through into the rail there. Those are the caps that I've used, some pine caps. They look nice and match the wood well. That's the panel and the support rails. Love the patina on this top rail there. The pattern looks fantastic. So I'm quite happy with that. And it's had 2 coats of varnish. It's going to get a third. I've been sanding with 600 grit in between, and it's going to leave a really nice finish. So I hope you enjoyed that then, guys. I enjoyed making it. If you're new to the channel, then please feel free to subscribe. I've got new videos coming out quite regularly at the moment, and if you just want to leave a comment, then that's fine as well. Thanks for watching. I'm Chatters. See you later.